Yeah, we can install the Anaconda Py. It's a pretty simple one. Yeah, we will see the other tools later. Okay, the GUI tools. To start with, we will work on this. We will use the Jupyter notebook, but because that is the one is used widely by majority of the download Anaconda Python. You just go to the Google and type download Anaconda Python. And then here, pre-download, right? So once you search it in the net, the first search list, right? You can find that thing and code in the download. You will, sorry, code in the cloud and then download. So anyhow, at this moment, it's not worry about the cloud and all, and click on the download and wait for some time. It will get downloaded. So look here, in this case, Anaconda Windows. All right, so this is the one. I think Anaconda 3 223.0702. Okay, if enter. This is the latest version of the latest version and release of this one. In case if the download doesn't start, you can click on it. Click here to download your version. If you want to download any specific version, you can click on the click here to download version. Look here, and Python for Windows, Mac, and Linux. For these three different operating systems, these softwares are available. And I write so Python 3.11, you can download this one. Instead, right, you can just rely on this one. Okay, simply click on the Anaconda software. Look, it's going on because once you install the Anaconda, you will get the suite of all the other packages or the applications that are part of your Jupyter notebook is, sorry, the Anaconda is available. So here, what suite of application in the sense your Python will get installed, and then the Jupyter notebook also will get installed. Okay. So now it is the download is being done. And you need to keep click next. Don't change anything. Once you are done with that, right? To keep clicking on the next. At one point in time, you will see the installation progression bar. Okay, when you see the progression bar, that means the installation is in progress. Don't disturb that and wait for some time. Once you find the message something like installation was done successfully, we are done. Okay, so look, done. How do I check whether it's correctly or not? Go to your start button, type Jupyter Notebook, click on this one Jupyter Notebook and wait for some time. And wait for some time. It'll take for a while. Look, it's going on. Let's wait for a few more minutes because to start the Jupyter Notebook kernel, right, it'll take some time. Yeah. Next one is once you are done with the tokenization, the next step is stop words. You need to do the stop word, right? You need to remove the stop words. As I said, the stop words are nothing but the words that do not add value to the meaning of the document, which means it doesn't give any context to the document. If you say the, there, was, when, while, right? This is not going to give any context to the data. Okay, so text data, and this step must be carried out after you are done with the tokenization, word tokenization. Okay, the NLTK package is really helpful. It offers stop words in different languages. Okay, English and other languages. It gives these stop words. Okay, now the question is, what are the advantages of removing stop words? The volume of the data get reduces. If you remove the commonly occurring words, and, the, there, where, is, was, where, when, if you remove this one, obviously your data set size decreases, and also it improve the accuracy of the classification. For example, you want to classify your text data. Simple example is whether the given text data is spam or non-spam. How will you identify spam and non-spam? Can you all type it in the chat window? Supposing I give you some text data, how will you find out? Let's say I'm sending you 2 or 3 emails. Let's say I sent 4 emails to you. Of the 4 emails, if I ask you to find out which all emails are related to spam, which emails are not related to spam, how will you find out? Simple common sense. Let me see how many of you can answer. See, I'm forwarding, let's say I forwarded 4 emails to you. Of those 4, how you can find out which of the emails are spam and which emails are non-spam? If you find something like, you are lucky, you won a lottery. Okay, special deal, special offer. So these are kind of spam, right? These words are something like spam. And again, some adult related thing, right? So you can find some kind of words, right? With that, you can make out, hey, this is spam. Certain emails are legible emails. Okay, it is not a spam. So in those email, if you don't find the words related to spam, like you won a lottery, I'm so surprised, all the things, right? That means you are lucky, something like that, right? So you can make out quickly these are not spam emails if you don't find these kind of words. Okay, so you need to eliminate these kind of so in that case, to classify text, all you need to do is which all words are related to spam, which all words are not related to non-spam. The common words, the stop words like the and or, it is not going to help you to find out or decide whether a given email is spam or non-spam. The, or, what, when, how, right? These are not going to help you to classify it. Your task is, if somebody has given you bunch of emails, they gave you 1,000 emails. They want you to classify which emails are spam, non-spam. It is your task to classify that. To classify that, you need to find out the words that are relevant to your spam and non-spam, right? So how will the stop words like or, the, when, how it is going to help? Well, hence, we need to eliminate the stop words, right? So one way by eliminating these stop words will reduce your size of your text data. And also, as the size decreases, what will happen? The performance will be faster. Okay. So once you have the favor and only relevant tokens remaining, when you train your model, the classifier model, the performance will be faster, and also it will improve the accuracy of your classification. Rather than using the and everything noise, you are adding more noise when you include the stop words, right? So data set size decreases, improve the accuracy of the classification, and importantly, the performance. It will boost your performance also, right? Model training performance will be bit faster. So what are the examples of stop words? Like I said, the and on, or, these, right? So these are all the most commonly occurring words are called the stop words. So how do I remove the stop words? The next question is, now I understood what is stop word is all about and what is the necessity of eliminating those stop words in my text data. And now we will take a look at how we can remove the stop words. So using NLP itself, we can, using NLTK package, okay, using NLT package itself, we can eliminate the stop words. How do we eliminate the stop words? I just go to the Jupyter notebook. Look here, the Spacey got installed. It seems successfully installed. Very good. So now what I do is I'm going to click on run. So import error, it says, okay, cannot import name required. Okay, it requires some kind of troubleshooting. Anyhow, at this moment, let us play around with NLTK in the interest of time. Already imported the NLTK package. And I have also imported the tokenize word, nltk.tokenize. From this, right, I have imported these two things. Now, in addition to that, I'm going to import something called NLTK from NLTK corpus import stop words. There is something called stop word itself available as part of the nltk.corpus package. Okay. And here I'm going to say nltk.download. And here you need to say stop words. Okay. And I'm going to hit run. Yeah, it has got true. It has got downloaded. And stop words. Okay, here I'm going to use a function called set stop words. See, stop words are available for many languages. In the case of NLTK package, we need to tell explicitly for which language the stop words needs to be set. Here I need to specify explicitly English. And then I'm going to click on run. I think it is working fine. And then now what I do is I'm going to use a print statement. NLTK stop words. And print stop words dot NLTK. This one will execute it. Yeah, I think no issues. And let us see. Yeah, look here. These are called your stop words. Okay, and similarly, in the case of Spacey, in your Spacey is giving some error. I know the package, how to use this package. And here what we do is Spacey underscore NLP. Yes, I will share it. Don't worry. Okay, the script you need, right? Yeah, it's very simple one. It's a very simple one. Okay, you don't need it. Anyhow, I will just share it. Don't worry. After this session. Okay, n core underscore web underscore sm. Okay, this is how I need to specify. And then here, let's say Spacey stop words, something else. Stop words. lang.en.stop words. Here you need to specify like this: stop underscore words dot stop underscore. So you don't have to memorize all the things. So in my case, since I know I've been working with this for quite a long time, I remember this. Spacey lang in English, right? English stop words. For that, you need to be en dot stop words. Malayalam, I don't know. Okay, you go and check it in the net. Okay, probably I'll send you later. For if you want to see the stop words for Malayalam, I don't know if it is available for Malayalam. So this is how you can view the stoppers. What are the stoppers that are available as part of your NLTK package? Similarly, with the Spacey stoppers, when you type it here, you need to troubleshoot if the package is not working, right? You need to do some kind of troubleshooting. It was showing some error, like required package is not there. Right, so that is the reason why it is causing this issue. But with NLTK itself, we can deal with it. Okay, just give me a second. Playing the top words that are available as part of NLTK package that we can find out. So look here, stop words, NLTK download stop words, and set stop words dot words English. We need to specify this explicitly. Okay, and the next step, see here, we did already the tokenization. Look here, the NLTK token. This is the one is holding all the tokens related to this sample text. Okay, so now what I do is I'm going to use this NLTK tokens. This is the first step. So, and the next step is what I do is for the sake of continuity, I will do it here itself. Okay, and here I'm going to, I'm going to do it here. Here, filter words. Okay, filter words. What words? Filter the stop words. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to use the listing. Okay, word for word in the words. Okay, and we can say that way. If so what I do is for the from the safer point of view, the safer side, word dot lower function not in stop underscore words NLTK. So what we are doing is the NLTK tokens, right? This is the one is holding all the tokens, right? The NLTK tokens, look here, where is that NLTK tokens? You expand, you can see all these tokens, words. So whatever the words are there in this, which is not there in this stop word, right? That means, this is another way of, smart way of excluding the stop words from my sample text. Okay, that is how I'm going to do. So now the filtered words, okay, we'll say filtered words. This is the one we'll hold. See, in this case, what happens? It's a list, right? So here we are iterating the same list for loop, right? So for word in words. Okay, here okay, here what I do is NLTK tokenize, right? NLTK tokenize. That is the one is holding all the, so here NLTK tokens, sorry, NLTK tokens. So that is this is the one holding all the tokens, which means the words, right? Each words that are available in my sample text got extracted in this one. So what I do is I'm going to retrieve each and every word from this, and then I'm going to convert this a lower letter. And then if that is not in this, because the stop words consist of all the lower letters only, okay? I'm going to check, and if it is based on this condition, right? So what you do is retrieve the word, each and every token from this one, but make sure that while retrieving it, you are converting this a lower letter, lowercase, and then you check, those tokens that you, while you retrieve it, you filter the stop words so that it can display only the non-stop word related text tokens here. Let me execute this. Stop words NLT is not defined. Stop words, stop words NLTK, sorry, NLTK. You can specify whatever the variable. Look here, NLT spacey, two popular NLP libraries offer various tools. Here, what are the things that we used here in this text one? Let me do one thing. I will just, so, and NLT and spacey, or look here, and remove it. Spacey or two popular NLP libraries, right? They offer various tools. They offer various tools, and see, this itself gives the context, right? NLTK spacey two popular NLP libraries. It offers various tools. as part of NLP, and two packages, these two packages programmer friendly. With that itself, we are able to understand the context. This is how we can smartly exclude the stop words. First, what you do is you store all the stop words, English stop words in a variable, right? So what you do is the next one is you store all the tokens in a variable. So this variable is holding all the tokens after you did the tokenize, okay, word tokenize. And then what will you compare this one with this one? So whatever the tokens that are there here, which is not there in this one, right, those kind of things you can retrieve it here. So NLT is not there here. Space is not there. Two popular NLP libraries is not there. So this is how you can exclude the stop words. So now you understood what the stop words are there and how to use the stop word function that is available as part of your nltk.corpus. And then how to exclude them smartly, you understand. And the same thing can do it with Spacey also. Okay, any questions? Yeah, this is a list. Okay, so this is a list. Inside the list, we are doing it. Okay. Okay, we are done with this. Okay. So anyhow, the next topic is stemming. So before we proceed further, yeah. So what I will do is, yeah, it's already 5:50, and since a couple of you raised, all right. So today we are going to wrap up with this. Do you have any questions? Yeah, the meeting invite will remain the same. The timing also will remain the same. In case of any change in this, we'll get back to you. If I don't get back to you, that means the timing remains same and the meeting link also remain the same. Okay. Please join at least 5 minutes in advance so that